What's up YouTube? It's Ray. Welcome back to another video here on my channel. In today's video, I will be walking you guys through my relaxer retouch process. As you guys know, I've been relaxed for a few months now, and I'm just taking you guys on this journey with me. I'm not a professional. I'm not some of these relaxed hair guru veterans out here that knows every single thing about it. No, I'm not, but I do share with you guys my process and my journey just so that you guys could kind of see some of the things that I go through, some of the things that I do, and techniques and products that help me, because they may help you as well. So before we get into the video, I am going to kind of go over a few little details and kind of just a brief synopsis on what the video is going to be about. This is the second time that I have done the relaxer retouch on my hair. The first time I did not film it because I didn't know what I was doing and I was nervous, and I didn't want to bring that to you guys. I wanted to do some more research and actually take my time, experience it first for myself, and then bring it to you guys, which is what I did for this video. I mentioned in the video that I cut my hair, which I did cut my hair. You guys know that, well, maybe I don't know, but I'm not scared to cut my hair. I've actually had really short hair, like not a buzz cut, but like almost a buzz cut, like almost like a little boy's grown out haircut is what I have had before. I've had a relaxer pixie cut, so I'm not a stranger to cutting my hair, changing my hair. I don't care. It's hair, it grows, and I don't care. This time I believe I cut off the very last bit of damage that I had, or last bit of split ends that I had, because she was cutting my hair like into like a V, basically, so that I could keep the length in the back, and that I didn't have to cut my hair all at one blunt length, because I would lose a lot of length, which is what happened this time. But as I was examining my hair over the weeks, I noticed that that V that she had cut my hair into, those ends, which was about 3 inches, it just didn't look as full as I wanted it to look. The ends were like kind of looking scraggly, and my hair was shedding as, you know, a process of that, of those ends not being as full as I wanted. So what I had her do was cut that V off. So my hair is basically going down like this in the bottom, and I had her cut off that tail end V piece and just cut it all blunt straight across, and add some framing face layers around the front. So this is what my hair looks like. As you guys can see, it is straight across, and I'll turn around so you guys can see the back. It's straight across. And I will insert a clip for you guys of what my hair looked like before I cut it. So if I didn't already insert that, I will go ahead and insert that so you guys can see. But I just wasn't happy with the way that V was looking. Like, it just wasn't as thick as I wanted, and I wanted my hair to appear thicker as it does now. I already, as I've shared with you guys before, I don't have the thickest head of hair. Like, it may look like my hair is pretty full. I don't know if it looks like it is or not, but I don't have the thickest head of hair. Like, I don't have a lot of hair strands on my head. I just don't. And as I have gotten older and had children, my hair has thinned out some. So, and with me having a relaxer, it even aids more to the appearance of my hair not being as like thick and full. So anything that I can do to just make my hair look, you know, thicker and healthier is what I'm going to do. And I believe, you know, if you have ends that you're holding on to, you should cut them off, because your hair will experience greater length. It'll grow better and faster. It won't be shedding, and it'll just look better. Like, I thought I would miss the length, but I really don't, like, because I just love how my ends just look so just much thicker and fuller, and I love how my hair just looks so thick, like from the side. Like, I love that. So yeah, so I just wanted to let you guys know what I did. Now, if you're interested in seeing the process and seeing like what I do for my relaxer, I'll show you guys the entire routine of me putting the relaxer in, me coloring my hair, which I also have another video on me dyeing my hair jet black. If you guys want to see that, then go ahead and stay tuned. And I know I look a little bit crazy right now. I have like pre-parted and pre-twisted my hair. This time I did it, I watched a few videos and saw how other people did it, and they were saying that the easiest way for them to do it was to pre-part and pre-twist. Kind of helps get the hair out the way. So I'm gonna try that method and I'm gonna film it, let you guys know how I like it, because you know, a lot of other people seem to like it. So if I like it and they like it, then you know, you might like it. So let's just see what happens. So the relaxer system that I'm using, I showed you guys last time. I really enjoyed the Cream of Nature relaxer system, and I'm gonna go through and show you guys what it comes with, just in case you guys want to do it, want to use this relaxer, you can definitely do it as well. So it comes with the different steps. Every step is numbered. This is the relaxer cream that you mix with the activator. This is the neutralizing shampoo, and this is the intensive conditioning treatment. And then it comes with the little instructions that tells you exactly how to do it so that you don't take your hair out. It comes with gloves, and it tells you on here, which is very important to pay attention to, it tells you how long you should, it tells you exactly how to apply the relaxer. Actually, I'm about to base my scalp because I completely forgot to do that. So I'm gonna base my scalp, and then I also purchased this little brush for my beauty supply store because I just feel like it'll be easier this time with this. So I purchased this, and yeah, I'm about to go ahead and get started. I'm gonna let you guys watch me base my scalp real quick. Very easy, just use petroleum or whatever type of base you have. Some relaxer systems come with that. This one did not. So if yours does not, just use petroleum, jelly, Vaseline, whatever you have, and we're gonna go ahead and do that step now. Alright guys, so I'm done mixing the relaxer and I'm about to apply. One thing, I don't know if you guys can see, but one thing just make sure of is that this relaxer cream is like mixed, like, cause it'll be chunky at first and like acting like it don't want to mix. Make sure it's all the way mixed, because I can't promise you how your hair gonna turn out if you don't. So just make sure it's all the way mixed, and our hair is already parted. So I'm about to go ahead and get started now. You guys might see me like kind of standing up and changing angles and whatnot. That's because I really need to see what I'm doing. In fact, I think I'm about to bring my other 2 mirrors in here so I can really see what I'm doing. But yeah, let's go ahead and get started, get this hair done. All right, you guys, so I am applying the relaxer, and I try to start in the middle, but my head is kind of small, so it looks like the front, but it's really the middle. And you guys, I would definitely recommend getting one of these spatula brush things. This really helped me because I did not use this last time. And all you basically want to do is apply the relaxer like to your new growth. I actually had a lot of new growth this time, so, and I'm getting better with my relaxer application, or at least I'm trying to. So this process with pre-parting it, using this brush, and having all of these mirrors definitely helped me to be able to just make sure I get everything, because the back is not the problem, it's the the front's not the problem, it's the back, because I have a hard time seeing. So yeah, this method definitely helped me, and my relaxer turned out much better this time. And also guys, you want to make sure you smooth the relaxer in after you apply it completely. So I apply the relaxer, I go back and apply it to the spots that I missed, and then I smooth and let it sit on there, and that is how I achieve the best results. So I'm almost finished right here, guys. If you guys could not tell, I go back and I do my nape and my edges very last, and then I'm gonna smooth as I was telling you guys. You guys, so the relaxer is completely applied to my head. I used 3 mirrors. I have a mirror right here, as you guys can see. I have this mirror and I have my bathroom mirror. If you're doing this yourself, if you can, have somebody do the back for you. If you can't, just do what I did, get you some mirrors and just make sure you got everything. Make sure everything's make sure you got everything, because you will miss some spots. And I do recommend doing this pre-parting method because it was just much easier this time. I'll be right back in just a minute to show you guys the rest of the process. All right, you guys, I just finished relaxing my hair. I need to comb it out really quick. I'm gonna do that, and then I'm gonna put a rinse in it really quick. Alright, you guys, I just finished the color and my hair took really well this time to the color and the relaxer, like really well. And I'm happy with my results. Right now, I'm just about to put the conditioning in, which is the last step, and that's it, you guys. This came with a deep conditioner, so I'm just gonna put that in. I got minimal shedding, like no shedding. It's going good. But yeah, I'm just gonna keep applying this, and then I'm gonna sit under a hooded dryer. I'm not gonna show myself doing that because you guys already saw me doing that. But I'm gonna sit under my dryer for about 30 minutes and let this conditioner do its job. And then I'm going to let my hair air dry for probably about a few hours, and then go get it cut or trimmed or whatever I decide to do.